So guys, in this video, we'll check how to create a copy of list using list function. Now, the list function in Python is a built-in function. You know that, yeah? It is used to create a new list object, which we have seen in our earlier videos. Now, it can accept an iterable like um, list, tuple, or set, etc. as an argument and create a new list altogether. So that is as good as copy, yeah? And create a new list containing the elements of that array. Now, if you do not pass any argument, then an empty list is created. So that is not a copy exactly. Yeah. When you're trying to copy a list, you have to specify the list from which or the item or the variable from which you want to copy. So we can copy a list using the list function by passing the original list as an argument. So it is very important that you pass on the original list to copy a list. This will create a new list object containing the same elements as original object. Yeah. So let me quickly take you to an example of copying a list using list function. Yeah. So this is my function. So as I said, original list. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as my list items. And I'm copying the list using the list function. But the argument that I have specified is the original list. So I'm referring to this list. Yes. Let's see what is the answer. Can see this? So then list is copied. As I said in my example above, if I do not specify any argument, if I just remove this argument, then you'll see an empty list is created. So this is not a copy. Yeah. So this is not what we are looking out for when we are trying to copy a list. So if I pass no arguments within the list function, an empty list is created. Again, let's see another concept where we try to modify the new list. So I have this list. I have this list. I take the original list. Yeah. Then I am changing the 0th item to 100. So in the copied list, I'm changing the 0th item. Let's see whether when you're creating a copy through a list function, whether it creates a shallow copy or a deep copy. Yeah. You can find that the original list is not getting modified once, even if you modified the copied list. So here we can say that copied list is totally created on a new memory location without reference to my original list. So any changes that you make to copied list, which we have changed here. So the 0th element has been changed to 100, but the original list remains intact. So this is a concept of deep copy as which we have discussed in the copying of list. Yeah. So you need to remember that copying a list using list function will create a deep copy. It will not create shallow copy. Yeah. So just for your reference, copying a list using list function will create a deep copy. Yeah. Same goes for slice notation, which we have seen in my earlier video. Yes. So this is how you copy a list using list function. In our next video, we will see the copy method extensively so that we understand how we can copy a list using the copy method which is attached to list. Yeah, so there is a built-in method for list to copy it. Yeah, which will be seen in our next video. Hope you like this video. Do like and share this video to your friends who want to learn Python. Do comment on this video if you want to add any information which would be passed on to the viewers of this video. Do subscribe to my channel to get such informative videos directly to your inbox. Thank you so much.